What's going on YouTube? So it's finally the day. They're supposed to be here first thing this morning to install the building on my pad back there. So I got a few things to move out the way. I got my truck right here, a couple of mini excavators I bought. I'll be doing a video on those too. I bought 3 of them. There's 2 of them right here. Going to be selling them, so if you're interested in buying a mini excavator, hit me up. But yeah, so I got a 24x35 pad. You might have seen it in the background on a couple of my videos, but they're supposed to be here to install the building. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff moved out the way for them to pull back here to get ready. So let me go ahead and do that real quick, and then when they get here, I'll try to get you a little bit of footage of them installing the building, and then we'll just do a nice little walkthrough and montage of them actually installing the building and go over how long it takes them to set it up and everything. So let me go ahead and get moving this stuff. Alright guys, so as you see, they just showed up. I got the excavators and everything moved, and they've been here 5 minutes. They already unloading the trailer. So you see it all comes on the back of one truck on that trailer there. They got about 4 guys going at it, and they're already starting on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all set up, put y'all on a time lapse. Hopefully in a few hours it'll be up. So we're sitting about an hour into the building now. They've already got all the frame up and everything. They're working quick out here. They got 5 guys, and all of them staying busy doing something. So they're working a lot quicker than I thought. Went to the store, got them some drinks and stuff in the cooler there. So I'm gonna move the angle and let y'all see it from the side here. And we'll keep on filming and watch as it goes up. All right, so we're sitting at about 5 hours into it. They already got all the side walls up, got the door in, one of the windows up. They got the front cut out for the roll-up doors. Back's done. I need to move some of this stuff out from behind the building. They still got to put the trim and everything on, and the roof. Ain't no roof on it yet, but it's coming together quick. It's a lot of work done in 5 hours, so it's looking good. Alright, so as you see, the building is now complete. It's already got dark outside, unfortunately. But yeah, so this is inside the building. I got double bubble insulation in the ceiling. Just some temporary lights for the time being, run up there with a drop cord. Just some stuff I could throw up there for lights for the time being until I get electrical. But yeah, so the total build took about 8 hours. All 4 guys, it's very hard working and everything. I got them drinks and everything in the cooler out here and stuff, and all that. Shoot, they never took a break for lunch or anything. They worked right on through it and busted their behind. They did good work, like even just making sure the screws are straight screwed into the side. They popped the chalk line right down the side of the building with the beams. That way they can see exactly where to screw in a straight line and space them pretty well evenly apart. Windows and everything, I told them I wanted them in the middle between the two beams, and they seem pretty centered well and everything. Yeah, I can't really find anything really to complain about the work the guys did. I ordered the building through Bull Buildings, so they're who I ordered through. I think the supplier of the building was North Carolina Carports, and then they contracted the installers, which was those 4 guys, and they had shirts on that said 5-star buildings. But again, if you order through Bull Buildings or whatever, and you can request them, those were some good guys or whatever. Like I said, those 5-star buildings. Yeah, I'm trying to think of any issues I had or anything. Like I said, the only thing, it really ain't nothing with the building or anything, but I wish I could have went with a 35 wide, because I plan to put a 4-post lift in here, and it will set me kind of close to the wall. I might have like 2 or 3 feet from the wall on the 4-post, but again, that's not on the building, guys. It just wasn't in my budget, not even because of the price of the building. I'll do my next video, I'll get into just the cost overall of doing this building. But the main reason I didn't go 35 wide actually is the extra cost of the concrete. That really hurt me, so. But yeah, again, love the building. Plenty of room for everything in here. And stay tuned to the channel, like, subscribe, as we do more upgrades with the floor of the building, getting electrical ran, doing the lighting and everything. So just follow along with the channel and watch as I put everything together like I want in here, as well as builds we got going on with the rat rod, also getting the Silverado back going and everything, just to be my street/tow truck again for the rat rod that I plan to race next season. Also going to be going over these excavators and that stuff, and plenty of other content I'll be trying to come out with for you guys. So stay tuned to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.